Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered whether freelancing or a traditional job can make you more money, you're not alone. In this video, we'll break down the pros, cons, and earning potential of both so you can decide which path is best for you. Stick around till the end for key insights on maximizing your income, no matter which route you choose. The debate between freelancing and traditional jobs has gained significant attention in recent years, especially as the gig economy continues to grow. Many professionals are reconsidering whether they should stick to a stable, traditional job or venture into freelancing, where earnings can be unpredictable but potentially higher. The question of which option pays more depends on multiple factors, including industry, experience, skills, and financial management. Here are the top 5 factors to consider when comparing the earning potential of freelancing versus traditional jobs. 5. Earning potential and income growth. Freelancers have the potential to earn significantly more than traditional employees, particularly in high-demand fields such as software development, graphic design, digital marketing, writing, and consulting. One of the biggest advantages of freelancing is the ability to set one's own rates. Many freelancers charge significantly higher hourly or project-based rates compared to what they would earn as salaried employees. Since they are not bound by a fixed paycheck, they also have the opportunity to take on multiple clients at once, effectively multiplying their income. Unlike traditional jobs that have structured salary caps, freelancers can adjust their rates based on demand, experience, and the value they provide. Additionally, freelancing offers global opportunities, allowing individuals to work with clients from higher-paying markets, sometimes earning in stronger currencies. However, inconsistent work availability can impact total earnings, making it crucial for freelancers to maintain a steady client base. 4. Job stability and financial security. Traditional jobs offer a predictable income, benefits, and structured career growth. Employees receive a stable paycheck, which makes budgeting and financial planning much easier. Many companies provide additional perks such as health insurance, paid time off, retirement contributions, and professional development programs. These benefits add significant value to a compensation package, even if the base salary is lower than what a freelancer might earn. Job security is another important advantage. Unlike freelancers who constantly need to secure new projects, employees generally have long-term contracts or stable positions that protect them from sudden financial instability. Career progression in traditional jobs often follows a clear path, with structured raises and promotions. While salary growth may be slower, it comes with reliability and a long-term safety net, making traditional employment a preferred option for those who prioritize financial security over fluctuating earnings. 3. Work flexibility and lifestyle. Freelancing offers an unmatched level of flexibility, allowing individuals to set their own schedules, choose projects that align with their interests, and work from virtually anywhere. This freedom enables freelancers to achieve a better work-life balance compared to traditional employees, who are often bound by fixed schedules and office environments. The ability to take breaks, travel, or pursue personal interests while still earning income is a major attraction for freelancers. However, with this flexibility comes added responsibility, as freelancers must manage their own deadlines, client communications, and administrative tasks. Traditional jobs, while less flexible, provide clear work structures and defined responsibilities, reducing the stress of self-management. For those who value stability and predictability in their daily routine, traditional employment may be a better fit. 2. Career growth and skill development. Both freelancing and traditional jobs offer opportunities for career growth, but they take different approaches. Traditional jobs provide structured promotions, training programs, and networking opportunities within a company, making it easier for employees to climb the corporate ladder. Companies often invest in employee development, offering mentorship, certifications, and career progression paths that can lead to long-term success. Freelancers, on the other hand, must take the initiative to upskill, seek new clients, and build their personal brand. They can expand their expertise by taking online courses, attending industry events, and collaborating with professionals across various projects. While freelancers may have more control over their career trajectory, they also bear the responsibility of continuous learning and self-improvement. In contrast, employees benefit from company-provided growth opportunities, but may face slower advancements due to organizational structures and internal competition. 1. Long-term financial planning and retirement benefits. One of the biggest challenges for freelancers is planning for the long term. particularly in areas such as retirement savings and health benefits. Unlike traditional employees who receive employer-sponsored retirement plans, pensions, and health insurance, freelancers must manage these aspects independently. This means setting aside a portion of their income for taxes, insurance, and savings to ensure financial security in the future. Many freelancers opt for private retirement accounts and health plans, but the costs can be significantly higher than what an employer would cover. Traditional jobs offer long-term financial benefits that contribute to overall stability, including consistent paycheck deductions for retirement funds, access to company-sponsored healthcare, and job-protected paid leaves. These benefits make traditional employment an attractive choice for those who prioritize financial planning and long-term security. Final thoughts. The comparison between freelancing and traditional jobs ultimately comes down to individual priorities and risk tolerance. Top freelancers in high-demand industries often earn more than their traditional counterparts, especially if they build strong client relationships and consistently market their services. However, entry-level freelancers may struggle to find consistent work, making traditional employment the safer choice. For individuals who value stability, benefits, and long-term financial security, traditional jobs remain a reliable option. Final thoughts. The comparison between freelancing and traditional jobs ultimately comes down to individual priorities and risk tolerance. Top freelancers in high-demand industries often earn more than their traditional counterparts, especially if they build strong client relationships and consistently market their services. However, entry-level freelancers may struggle to find consistent work, making traditional employment the safer choice. When it comes to earnings, both freelancing and traditional jobs have their advantages, but the best choice depends on your skills, industry, and goals. What do you think? Freelancing or a 9-to-5? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.